This is the Tecno Spark 20 Pro, the elder brother of the previous Tecno Spark 10 Pro, which I did the review few months ago. Please stick around to find out so that you won't miss anything in this video. You're gonna get a 108 megapixel rear camera on the Spark 20 Pro. So first of all, let's start with the price. The Spark 20 Pro price around 195,000 naira, which is equivalent to $163. The Spark 20 Pro comes with a RAM of 8GB. Then you can expand to another 8GB, making it 16GB, with a support of 256GB internal storage. It comes with 4 colors: Moonlight Black, Frosty Ivory, Sunset Blush, and Magic Skin Green. So it's easy for you to pick any color of your choice. Let's talk about other things. Take a look at the back. You see the rear camera, which located at the back, a 108 megapixel rear camera over here, and a AI camera which supported the 108 megapixel main camera. And the other camera is the 2 megapixel depth sensor. Not even that, we see the LED flashlight which helps the camera when taking pictures on a low light condition. At the front, we see the 32 megapixel selfie camera and LED flashlight. One thing I love about this phone is the punch hole camera. Well, that is by the way. Let's talk about other things. It also supports Magic Ring, which helps in call status and charging status. As for the size of the display, it's a 6.78 inches IPS LCD display that has a 1080 by 24 pixel resolution. It also comes with 120Hz refresh rate. You can switch in between 60 or 90Hz if you wish to do so. Powering the Spark 20 Pro is the Helio G99 processor. That is a very good processor. Playing game with this device won't be a problem. I play PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty with this device. I don't see any lag. Everything runs pretty good smooth. What I notice is that this phone gets a little bit warm. Well, that won't be a problem. So tell me the sound that came out when using this device for playing games. Let's talk about other things. Android 13 is what we're gonna got in the Spark 20 Pro. Why the Android 13? Android 14 is on the corner. Moving to the unboxing experience, the first thing you see is the phone, a MTN virtual card, a 12 plus 1 month warranty card, a silicone protective case which fits this phone perfectly, followed by a 33-watt fast charger which allow you to charge up this device from 0 to 100% without wasting much of your time. The last layer in the box is where we see the USB Type-C cable and the earpiece. So take a look at it. This is all the accessories that comes with the Tecno Spark 20 Pro. Another aspect where the Tecno Spark 20 Pro impressed me is that the Spark 20 Pro also supports AirLag, just like the previous Tecno Spark 10 Pro. Not even that, a 5000 mAh battery capacity on the Tecno Spark 20 Pro. I love the side-mounted fingerprint that comes with this phone. It responds so fast to touch whenever you want to unlock the phone. The side-mounted fingerprint also serves as the power button. As for the battery aspect, the 5000 mAh battery can last up to 2 days if you are not a heavy user. This charger can charge up your device in 1 hour 33 minutes using the 33 watts fast charger. Not even that, this phone also supports IP53 dust and water resistance. So putting this device inside water is not a good idea at all. Please don't do that. Secondly, it comes with dual stereo speakers which is available to give you good audio. So coming to my conclusion, if you are going for the Tecno Spark 20 Pro, the main things you have to bear in mind is the 108 megapixel main camera setup and 32 megapixel selfie camera. Not even that, and a IPS dust and water resistance. Well, that is by the way for today. Please, if you find this video helpfully, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on that notification bell. Catch you guys on next one. Peace out.